In this video, we are going to take a look on the electrolysis of seawater and the use of the product that produced in this process. Electrolysis means the decomposition by electricity. In the first term syllabus, we have learned that the electrolysis of water sample can decompose water back to their constituent element, which is hydrogen and oxygen. In electrolysis of seawater, the products are a little bit different from the electrolysis of a water sample. As you can see from the diagram, hydrogen gas would be produced in negative electrode, while the chlorine gas would form in the positive electrode. This is because the chlorine gas is formed from the chloride ion in the seawater sample. And from chapter 5, we know that chlorine has an atomic number equal to 17. So its electron arrangement is 287, which means it has to gain one electron to form chloride ion. Therefore, the chloride ion would carry a negative charge, which would be attracted by the positive electron. That's why the chlorine gas is formed on the positive electron. So I hope this will help you to figure out whether chlorine gas is formed from the positive electron or negative electron. Finally, you should also know that the solution left behind would become sodium hydroxide solution. However, the principle behind the formation of hydrogen gas, chlorine gas, and sodium hydroxide solution will be discussed in Form 5 syllabus. In Form 3, all you should know is that, first of all, hydrogen gas will be formed on negative electrode, while chlorine gas is formed in positive electrode, and the solution would then become sodium hydroxide solution. Then we come to the use of the products from the electrolysis of seawater. I recommend that you at least memorize 1 to 2 use for each substance. For example, hydrogen can be used as a rocket fuel that we have discussed in Form 2 syllabus. Besides that, it can also used to make hydrochloric acid, implied by the name of the acid, hydro, which contains hydrogen. And for chlorine, as we all know, chlorine can be used to sterilizing the swimming pool water, which means it can kill germs. Besides that, it can also make chlorine bleach. Finally, for sodium hydroxide solution, it can be used to make soap and making drain cleaner. It is because from Form 2 syllabus, we have learned that sodium hydroxide is an alkaline solution which can dissolve fat and protein, which usually block the drain. And as sodium hydroxide is an alkaline solution, it can also use to neutralize the acid raised from the factory. So that's the end of today's video. If you have any questions, please ask me in the Google Classroom. Bye bye.